I think my biggest hurdle is probably going to be insurance.
Yeah.
I mean, reality is, if you're looking at it, it's debt to income matters. It all matters. But when it comes, I think when the rubber meets the road, I think the insurance is going to probably be my biggest hurdle. But the understanding of what I can afford a month matters. Yes, the interest rate affects that, but that's not going to be my decider. Mike's got the app. You slide all your numbers around, what you can afford. It's fun to use. It's like, no, can't afford this house. Not that number. That you're in the zone.
Yeah.
And when you slide the little toggles, it highlights like, boom, you can do that. You can't do that. You can't. And
it's even great. Like you could have your eye on a specific home and say, hey, listen, I can't buy this home.
Sure.
I cannot buy this home until
it hits
at this
point.
price.
And the way you know
or this rates or this price and this rate.
Yep. But there's things you can do to work through that. But but again, it's what I can afford. That interest rate, it affects what I can afford, but it is not going to be my decider. My decider is I can't afford that. Right. So don't get lost in the rate. Talk to somebody. Find out what you can afford. You know what you pay right now a month.
Exactly.
You know what you can afford.
Oh, yeah. And I'll even use the word, so afford is usually, I say that's your world. My world is what do you qualify for?
Qualifies a different beast.
Hopefully those two things align, but you got to know the answer to both of those.
Yes.
Like you got to know what can you qualify for? Like what are the limits under which your loan will get approved?
Right.
That's what I do, and I'm pretty good at it. And then that will help inform you what you can afford, which is also informed by your budget right now. What are you paying right now? Are you able to save money? Do you have any bills that are changing in the near future, getting better, getting worse? You can kind of think about these things.